This Thursday, the New York State Assembly will vote on a groundbreaking bill to protect the communication rights of people with disabilities.
This is the right of any person to communicate, and I use the example of a kid who is in a wheelchair, can't talk, can't walk, can move his one hand and nod his head, and his mother taught him to raise his hand to say yes and shake his head to say no. That's communication. Everybody should recognize it. Because he cannot speak doesn't mean you should make decisions for him. You should ask him.
This bill ensures that every New Yorker with a disability can communicate in the way that works best for them, at school, at work, in the community. But your voice is needed. Call your assembly member and urge them to vote yes on Assembly Bill 7363. This law will benefit autistic people, people with intellectual and developmental disabilities, stroke survivors, and anyone who uses alternative or augmentative communication. Let's make New York a leader in disability rights and help every person to be heard. Find your assembly member by going to nyassembly.gov/mem, M-E-M for member, and ask them to vote yes on Assembly Bill 7363. I'm Autistic Dr. Henny, and I have been dedicating my entire adult career to getting to the point where New York State recognizes communication support as our rights.
Take a look at what we're doing with the money.